Hey Diva Dolls, this is your girl crystalchanel and I am back with a brand new video for my channel. You already know the summertime is here and I don't know about y'all, but I'm trying to have a warm girl summer. I gotta say warm girl because I can't say hot girl anymore. But long story short, I am here to share with y'all some really cute and affordable, super flattering swimsuits. You already know I am your resource. I am your best friend in your head. I am here to share anything that I pick up with y'all so that you can shop, make it easy, and get a discount. I did partner with Cupshe today, so if you want to see all of the really cute bathing suits I picked up, stay tuned. Okay, we're gonna jump right in. This is a two-piece bathing suit. I love this bathing suit because it is a coordinate, it's mixed match, and it's two-piece. It's sexy, right? I love that it's flattering. You can move these ties whether you want that look of a tie in the front or a tie in the back. I like it in the front. I do think the top is very supportive. You can also put it in between your back roll, your back fat. We all got it, y'all. So just one thing I want y'all to know when you look at my videos is that you need to appreciate your body. Appreciate where you are today. You can always make changes if you want. I made changes. You can look at my full weight loss story. I'll put the link down below. I have a whole channel on my fitness journey. But at the end of the day, I'm going to celebrate where I am when I'm there. And for today, this is my body. And I'm going to dress her up looking real cute and sexy in these swimwears. And I'm going to make it work. So I love that bathing suit, very flattering, and it's a two-piece. Now, if two pieces aren't your thing, no big deal, girl. You already know I'm gonna find me a sexy ass one piece. This is a one piece, and I love the cut of this one piece. I love the detail on this one piece. You do have adjustable straps, so that will help in your chest area because it holds the girls up. Look how good they look. But yeah, I love the front detail with the pleating in your chest area. I love the lace up detail. I mean, the color is so pretty. I think this will work on fair skin or dark skin or my complexion. Like, it does not matter. This bathing suit is sexy and I love it. So if you want a one piece, grab it. Now, your girl loves to show off her body, and like I said, your body is yours, honey. I don't care, cellulite, dark spots, stretch marks, I don't care. Y'all gonna get all this goodness, okay? So this two-piece is a little more revealing than the first one. It's very strappy. You can adjust these straps in the back, and you can also play with the straps. So I'm gonna show you what I mean. This right here is like how I had it on first, and then I made the straps a little bit more together, and then I thought it would be really cute to have it off the shoulder. You little shoulder action. But I love this bathing suit. I like to pull it high waist, and I think it's pretty flattering that way. Y'all, I'm trying to cover my booty in this camera because I do not want YouTube to flag this video. In fact, if you are enjoying this video, give me a thumbs up. If you are a guy watching this video for whatever reason, share this video with a girl that you know who wants to shop bathing suits. But on to the next bathing suit. Do y'all see how happy I look in this bathing suit? I absolutely love the detail in this bathing suit. I love this detail. So even though it's a simple one piece, even though it's all black and classic, you get your sexy details. You get your sheer in between in the front and the back. So you got your sex appeal. You get your flirty and feminine detail with the shoulders, and you have your little ruffles. And then I absolutely love the chest area because, again, it accentuates you. You don't need to have to worry about looking saggy there because it does support you, and it's very sexy with the deep V cut. So y'all, I need you to check the link down below. I will find a coupon code. I'm wearing a 1X in all of these bathing suits, and yeah, I think this one is my favorite of the entire haul. So again, I like to show off a little bit. This is a more risque bathing suit. In fact, this bathing suit was a little confusing. It was really tight. I didn't understand how come the bottoms looked like they were string bottoms, but they were actually sewn together. So very tight on me. The back is confusing. I do appreciate the adjustable straps, but I didn't really understand how it's supposed to fit. my girls are out, okay? I mean, as you can see here, I could barely move because everything is so tight. This is a 1X. You need to size up in this one. The colors are pretty though. Like, I'll give you that. I'm gonna try to cut the strings so that can be true to being a string bikini. But anyways, on to this next one. I love this one because the colors are so sexy. I love nude colors, especially on melanin skin. So this bathing suit, I think you should grab it. I love how the top fits. The top even has plastic under the boob area so that it stays up. You don't have to worry about it slipping. And then really quick, they have a whole section on beach accessories, including cover-ups. This cover-up I thought was so flirty and girly because of the color. So I like to tie it on the top to give me a little bit more of a shape because I am hippie, y'all. And this is a 1X. Honestly, I should have sized down and just got a large in this dress, but this particular dress I think is flirty. It's quick to throw on at the beach for a cover-up. You got to run into a store or something, and just all in all, it's adorable and I love it. Okay, dolls, so I hope you enjoyed that haul. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Share this video with a friend. I know you know someone who can use this video because we covered full bathing suits that cover you up but don't have you looking like a grandma. We covered some sexy two pieces. We had some bright colors. We had some classic black. I mean, y'all, I had a little bit of everything, not to mention this really cute cover up. So again, I hope you enjoyed the video. I will leave the links to everything that I picked up from Cupshe down below, as well as any coupon codes that I can find. I'm going to be doing more videos with Cupshe because I really do adore their quality. It's great thick material. It lasts for summers and summers and summers, and they have really cute styles. So even though you're curvy, plus size, whatever, you don't have to look frumpy. You can still be really cute, trendy, and fashionable. Now, if you don't follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat and on TikTok, be sure that you do that. And my name is @ChrissieTheDoll. I know I've been back and forth with these videos. I appreciate y'all for hanging in there with your girl. Again, if you are just seeing this video for swimwear recommendations, go ahead and stick around. I have more playlists that show you all the different bathing suit videos that I've done. Check those out, as well as subscribe, okay? I got this channel, I got my fitness channel, and I got my vlog channel. So I'm gonna put the links to all of my channels down below. I would love for you to become a part of the Diva Doll crew. If you dolls have any other questions about my lashes, my makeup, my hair, let me know with a comment down below. Also, let me know which one of these looks were your favorite. I'm gonna let y'all know, I'm gonna pin a comment which one was my favorite because I have one super favorite of the whole haul, but I wanna know what y'all think is cute. I want to say thank y'all for so much, and as always, thank you for your love and support, and stay fabulous and stay fierce.